Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need your favorite fresh vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and corn, along with 1 packet of Maggi vegetable soup mix. Make sure you have a pot, some water, and a stirring spoon handy. This easy method ensures a delicious and quick meal for any time of day. Now, let's get to the preparation. Begin by finely chopping all your fresh vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This helps them cook evenly and quickly. Next, measure out exactly 750 milliliters of water. This is crucial for the perfect soup consistency. Finally, open your Maggi vegetable soup packet and have it ready. We are almost ready to start cooking this delightful dish. It's time to cook. Pour the 750 milliliters of water into a pot and bring it to a vigorous boil. Once boiling, carefully add the entire Maggi soup mix packet and all your chopped vegetables. Stir the mixture continuously for about 3 minutes. You'll notice the soup beginning to thicken, creating that perfect, comforting texture. Serve it hot and enjoy your homemade vegetable soup. For an extra kick, consider adding a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper to your soup just before serving. You can also elevate your presentation by garnishing with some fresh cilantro or crispy croutons. These small touches make a big difference. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make vegetable soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.